Okay, so you're feeling anxious.
Yeah.
Huh. And you're like, what helps? What do I do?
Yeah.
We're diving into all that today.
We are.
All about psychotherapy for anxiety.
Absolutely.
You sent us a little snippet from a bigger piece.
Right.
And we're going to unpack it.
Yeah.
Full disclosure, though, we are not doctors.
Not doctors.
This is not medical advice.
No.
But we can explore the options.
I can explore the options so you can be informed.
Yeah, so first of all, good for you for even being here.
Yes.
Looking into this stuff.
That's a big step.
It can be scary.
It is a big step.
Right. And this excerpt you sent, it doesn't say Therapy X is the best.
Right. It doesn't.
But honestly, that's kind of a good thing.
That's a good thing.
Right.
It really is, because there is no one best therapy for everyone.
Yeah, we don't all wear the same size shoes.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, what fits your best friend might give you blisters.
Blisters, yeah. So how do we figure out what our therapy shoe size is?
Well, anxiety shows up differently for everyone.
Okay.
So your anxiety, your experiences, your history, they all play a role. And that's why there are different types of therapy.
So what are some of the types?
Well, you've probably heard of CBT.
Cognitive behavioral therapy.
Cognitive behavioral therapy, that's right.
Yeah.
It's about recognizing those thought patterns, kind of learning how to retrain your brain a little bit. And then there's psychodynamic therapy.
Okay, yeah.
Which dives into your past a little bit more. How might your past be influencing?
So it's like a whole buffet.
It is like a buffet of therapy.
Yeah. How do we choose from the buffet?
Right. Well, and this is where it gets interesting. The source you sent, it doesn't list every single type of therapy.
Okay.
But it does point to something super important. When it comes to choosing,
what's that?
Remember that statistic? About 80% of therapy success relies on the client-therapist relationship, not just the type of therapy.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, that's what the source emphasizes.
80%?
Yeah, and research backs it up.
So it's more about connecting with the therapist than the actual type.
In a way, yeah.
Wow, okay. That's kind of empowering, though.
It is empowering because it means you have the power. You get to choose.
So, I'm starting my search.
Yeah.
What are some signs that I've found the right person?
Well, do you feel heard? Do you feel understood by this person?
Okay.
Do they explain things in a way that makes sense to you?
So it's all about, clicking.
It is about clicking. It's about rapport. And it's more than just liking them as a person.
Okay.
It's about trusting their guidance and feeling safe.
Safe, yeah.
And research shows that a strong therapeutic alliance, that's the connection.
Okay.
It predicts positive outcomes.
That makes sense.
Right.
So imagine walking into therapy, excited.
Yes.
Not dreading it.
Exactly.
That's the goal.
That's the goal, to feel safe and empowered to work through your anxieties.
Awesome. This has been so insightful. So remember, everyone listening, it's not just about the type of therapy.
Yeah.
But about the connection. Keep researching. Explore your options. Trust your gut.
And don't be afraid to ask questions. Ask about their approach.
Yeah, how they work with you.
How they handle certain concerns you might have. This is your journey.
Yeah.
You deserve to feel good about who you're working with.
Couldn't have said it better myself. You got this, everyone listening. And here's something to think about. What if you could feel actually excited about starting therapy?
Excited, yeah.
Keep that in mind as you explore your options, because finding the right person can be life-changing.
Absolutely.
Okay.